Welcome to my YouTube channel, World Range. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more. Today we are going to learn second topic in Unit 2, Chapter 4. If you want to watch the first topic, Consolidating Data, click on the link in the description or the link displayed on this video. Second topic is Grouping and Outline. What is grouping and outline in Calc? Please pause here and try to read it to yourself and understand. Group and outline in Calc allows you to organize selected data by creating an outline. It lets you group row or columns together. This feature enables you to collapse, to hide data, or expand plus it with single click. There are 6 steps for you to follow. First step, select the data you want to group. Second step, click on the data menu. Third step, select Group and Outline option. A drop-down menu appears. Fourth step, click on Group option. The Group dialog box appears. Please identify the 4 steps what we learned in this image. Fifth step, select Row radio button to group by row, or Columns radio button to group by columns. Sixth step, click OK button to group the data. Find 5th and 6th step in this image. That's it. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Are you ready? Let's do it for real.
I already added data in this Calc spreadsheet. Select the data which you want to group. Click on Data menu. Now, click on Group and Outline. Then click on Group. You can select row or column buttons, whichever you desired. I will show both the options for you. First, I will select Row Radio button and then click OK button. You see, left side panel appeared. That is the outline. You will find minus button, and when you click it, it will hide all the data. If you click plus button, then it will expand or show the grouped data. You will also find 1, 2 buttons on the outline. 1 will hide the data, and 2 will expand the data. Now let's group the data by column. Same process, click on Data menu. Now, click O Group and Outline. Then click on Group. Here, I will select Column and click OK button. Now you could see another outline above the columns. You will find minus and plus buttons and also 1, 2 buttons on the outline. 1 will hide the data and 2 will expand the data. Now, let's group by just 1 column, that is, jersey size. Follow the same 6 steps and make sure you select Column. We have created jersey size group within the entire data group. You can hide or expand jersey size column. Follow the same 6 steps for color and cost columns. It will allow you to hide or expand these columns. Now you can select the desired column, its specific column, or you can hide. You have successfully learned how to group the data. Please like this video and share it with your friends.